you go. Keeps reaching with her left hand today. Oh. I'm gonna grab it with your other hand. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Here's another one.
It got in her hand.
She might not be right-handed like you. Huh? Are you getting mad? Oh my goodness, are you getting mad? Don't get mad.
Me eat?
No, Ashton. Look, she got it. Was that good? Your Bubby loved the puffs.
Be funny. Be funny.
Oh, there's an extra one. Save it for later. What you think?